Welcome back to the channel. Buying Bitcoin on the stock market. There's been a few viewers on the channel wondering how they could get cryptocurrency exposure, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, some of the other cryptocurrencies I've talked about as well. Redcoin, another coin I have in my particular cryptocurrency portfolio. Is there a way to invest in cryptocurrency on the stock market? So I thought I'd just quickly talk about that topic by talking about a number of companies that have exposure with cryptocurrency. If cryptocurrency goes up, these companies should go up as well. So in doing so, I thought I'd go through a number of different ways in which you can get exposure to cryptocurrency on the stock market. In responding to those viewer comments, no, you cannot buy cryptocurrency directly on the stock market. There is sort of a way you can start doing futures trading with cryptocurrency. I think I'll hold that or save that topic for another video. But for today's video, I thought I would talk about a number of companies that you can invest in that will definitely reap the rewards of any increase in cryptocurrency, whether that's the exposure that it's currently getting in the press, or if the coins do go up, what happens with mining and what happens with the number of companies that are associated with not only mining but the technology as well, the blockchain technology. So I thought I'd talk about a couple of different companies that are used in the mining, a company that has some patent rights as well as a mining operation, and then a company that's using the underlying technology that all cryptocurrencies are based on, the cryptography, the computer science that goes into how the coin technology works. So I thought I'd start off the video with AMD here. AMD is a stock I've had in the portfolio for quite some time. If we scroll to the bottom here, you can see exactly what this company is involved in. A lot of you guys know that this is a company that makes semiconductors, typically CPUs, but it also has a very large GPU production capability as well. Some of its graphics cards are some of the best ones to use for cryptocurrency mining. So you can jump into this company with the idea that if cryptocurrency increases in price, the popularity will increase and mining will increase, and folks will go out and start buying these chips to mine the cryptocurrency. And we can really see here over the past 5 years, AMD has been doing exceptionally well. You can see for a while they're trading in the penny stock range, $1 to $2. Quite remarkable if you really think about it, as it's now a 13 to 14. I believe it got up to $15 a few times over the past 1 year here. Let's see if we can't see that in this graph here. Yeah, 15, 20, spiking back up here, 15, I believe, almost 15, 14.78. But a very, very good company. Again, you can get exposure to cryptocurrency mining. Not necessarily Bitcoin, but definitely the script coins, Litecoin, Redcoin, some of the other cryptocurrencies that use the algorithm that Litecoin uses. And you can do that by getting into AMD here. And as cryptocurrency increases in popularity, as it becomes more profitable to mine, more folks will go out and mine with the chips that AMD produces. So this is one way in which you can get into cryptocurrency. Now, if we scroll over here, you can see MARA, Marathon Patent Group. This is actually a company that is very popular with day traders. You can see on the bottom here, this is a company that is essentially what it says it is, a patent group. It essentially has a portfolio of patents. It also has acquired, apparently, a small mining operation as well, Global Bit Ventures, that does a number of different coins in its mining operation. But you can buy this company, and this is a penny stock company, $4.74. You can see here it's consolidated a number of times over the past 5 years here, 34.68, trending down here a bit, and then you can see reverse splits bringing it back up, as well as the fact that it's a very, very popular stock for day trading. You can see the volume. Actually, the volume is not that great for the volume, average volume, 2 million there, so not quite sure what that volume is. Maybe that's after hours trading here. But it's a very, very popular stock for penny stock trading. This is another great way of getting into cryptocurrency, or at least getting exposure to cryptocurrency without buying the coins themselves. This particular group, Marathon Patent Group, has a number of patents, as well as, like I said, the acquisition of a company that does mining. So you buy this company, and then you would get exposure to cryptocurrency with regards to its mining operation. Not quite sure I'm sold on that, but that is a way, a very unique way of getting into the cryptocurrency realm, at least reaping the rewards of any increases in the price of coins or the popularity of cryptocurrency without necessarily buying the coins themselves. Now, if we scroll over again, this is another great company that you can get exposure to cryptocurrency with regards to mining as well. NVIDIA, if we go to the bottom here, A lot of you guys know this as well. This is a company that has graphics processors, some of the best out there. And these graphic processors are very powerful and can be used to mine coins. Notably, Ethereum, Litecoin, some of the script coins can definitely be used on GPUs. And it's still a very profitable endeavor to do that. You can see over the past 1 year here, it's done exceptionally well, 76.62%. For the last 5 years, incredible growth here, 1,651%. Again, this stock, like AMD, was trading fairly cheaply here with regards to the stock price. Not quite sure why AMD was a penny stock and Nvidia was trading less than $20 here. But you can see the tremendous growth now, almost over $200. The PE ratio on the bottom, fairly high, but again, this is because it's so popular right now with cryptocurrency, and Nvidia has some of the best chips out there, as well as AMD for cryptocurrency mining. So another great way of getting exposure to cryptocurrency without having to buy the coins themselves. I know a lot of viewers on the channel that aren't necessarily wanting to hold cryptocurrency. They're not quite sold on the technology, but they definitely want to get exposure to the cryptocurrency boom right now. And this would be another great way of doing that. And again, this is a solid company that, regardless of whether it has any benefits from cryptocurrency, it's a solid company to hold for the longer term as well. Again, you may say this is oversold here, up 1,652% over the past 5 years, and the PE ratio is rather large. But again, a great way of getting into cryptocurrency without buying the coins themselves. And the last company here, Riot Blockchain, another company that has had extreme exposure over the past few months here. If we go back up at the top here, 1 year graph, you can really see how the company has taken off here. Starting off around $7, $8. You can see here spiking up to $38.60. Incredible growth here before pulling back a bit here, but still it's up 290.1% over the past 3 months here. Another great way of getting into cryptocurrency without necessarily buying the coins. You can see here the Riot Blockchain provides investment services to the blockchain ecosystem. And the blockchain is really the algorithm or the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the ledger system, the public ledger, private key, so on and so forth. It's a very complex technology. This company is trying to position itself as one of the first companies to take a hold of that technology and apply it to other things, because the technology doesn't always need to be associated with cryptocurrency. It can be associated with record keeping, file systems, a lot of different applications, not only cryptocurrency, but a number of things that could really have revolutions in how data is stored, processed, and shared between different individuals and companies, and keep it secure as well. And the other big thing behind the blockchain technology, the cryptocurrency technology, that it's very, very secure. A great way of easily transmitting information between different organizations, different enterprises, different individuals, but it's also extremely secure as well. It's secure, it's essentially shared by every individual on the network, and it has a lot of different ways of using the technology, not only with cryptocurrency, but with, like I said, file systems, and then sharing those file systems, making sure they're secure and accurate. So again, a number of different ways of getting into cryptocurrency on the stock market. RIOT, Riot here, NVDA, NVIDIA, and the other two companies I talked about, MARA, Marathon Patent Group, and AMD, another great semiconductor company that you can get into. So AMD, NVIDIA, Marathon Patent Group, and Riot Blockchain. 4 great companies that you can get exposure to cryptocurrency without necessarily having to buy the coins themselves. So those are the 4 companies I saw. Please let me know if you guys have better companies out there that have maybe a better exposure to cryptocurrency, or maybe a little bit safer. I do believe that AMD and NVIDIA are very good choices, not only because they're great companies, but because they have cryptocurrency exposure. MARA, I think it's an extremely high-risk company to jump into, as well as the Riot Blockchain. I think it's really risky to get in at this point. It's a fledgling company, and it may be nothing more than sort of a popular penny stock trade. It's kind of like what MARA is here, Marathon Patent Group. It's typically known for its very high peaks and valleys, the volatile trading with penny stock trading, and that might also be true for Riot. But AMD, NVIDIA, 2 great stocks I think you can really buy and hold on to for the longer term, regardless of the cryptocurrency boom here. But MARA and RIOT will definitely go up and down, be highly volatile, depending on what is happening in the cryptocurrency world. So again, let me know if you have better choices than that. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have comments on this video or other videos, please leave. And again, if you guys have any great ideas for future videos or maybe other stocks that would replace any of the 4 stocks I talked about today, please let me know. Always looking for new things to read up on and get out to you guys. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.